This is my little mower I just got, battery operated. It's got one 24-volt battery it uses. It's got a little key here that you can pull out so that it can't be operated like a child-proof lock. Nobody can operate if you take that out. The wheel raising and lowering method is this right here. Pull it out. It lowers the wheels. Move back down. That's Maxim wheels. Wasn't too hard to assemble from the box. Take these pipes here, stuck them in those holes, and these bolts and big nuts were in the box, and the handle here goes on. The nuts have to go to the outside, otherwise the little square here doesn't have any place to go. So I thought I wanted the nuts on the inside, but that didn't work. Then put some clips on to hold your wire, and see what. Now it's got a bag that I'm not going to use, but it goes right down the back, right here. Lift this guy up, and a little bagger will go right there, and all your leaves or grass clippings will be collected. Press the button, and then pull the handle, and the little guy starts. I got some grass to mow. It's kind of getting dusk here, but let's go see if it mows grass anyways. Well, I just went up the hill here and mowed the grass, and it actually mows and doesn't bog down. Let me show you again. I'm doing this one-handed. Normally you do it two hands. It's nice and quiet. So that was some pretty high grass, and it just went right on through and didn't act like it was being bothered by it at all. I don't know if you can tell, this is pretty high grass it's mowing. Now I do have it up on the highest setting, which is the way I mow my grass because I believe it's healthier for the grass. But it's not getting bogged down at all now. If I lowered it down and tried to cut a lot, then even gas-powered mowers get bogged down like that. But it's working amazing well. Super light. And your two fingers on picking the thing up. It's front heavy with the battery in it. The handles, you unscrew this and there's a little break in the threads so they won't screw all the way off, and then you can fold it over. So it could fold up into a section from this handle to the front and only about 2 feet high. So it's a very small storage spot too. Okay, well, hope this review helps you.